The truth is bitter, but you need to hear this. Most people don't lose money in the market because of a bad setup or strategy. They lose because their own mind tricks them. Trading is less about charts and more about mental warfare. Here, your true opponent isn't an operator. It is your own emotional reaction. When you let your emotions ride a roller coaster with every green and red candle, logic jumps out the window. Fear, greed, false hope, and regret. These are the four criminals that create a storm in a trader's mind. And this is where the true test of your emotional discipline begins. Remember, if you conquer yourself, no force in the market can stop you from winning. Chapter 1, Part 1. Facing fear. The world of trading is a world of decisions. Every second demands a choice. You have two paths: either hold the hand of logic or drown in the swamp of emotions. A disciplined mind always chooses what is right, not what is easy. The moment a trade goes against you, the brain starts to panic. Should I sell now or wait a bit? Maybe it will recover. These are the questions that force you into making the wrong decisions. Don't run from fear, recognize it. Trading isn't just a game of lines, it's a game of mindset. Winning is good, but learning is mandatory. The adrenaline rush upon entry can blind you. Taking the right entry is a skill, but exiting at the right time is character. The day you promise yourself, "No matter what, I will place my principles above my emotions," is the day your true journey with Stoxfeed begins. Chapter 1, Part 2. Breaking the Cycle. Insecurity and haste, these are the traps you must break. Being scared when losing and getting greedy when winning, this is the roller coaster that stands as the wall between a gambler and a professional trader. Stop trying to control the market. That's impossible. You can only control yourself. Next time, before taking a trade, ask yourself, is this decision coming from my logic or my fear? Take a deep breath. This 1-second pause will help you respond instead of react. Remember, the real war isn't on the screen, it's being fought between your ears. Let's do a small task here. If you believe mindset is everything in trading, drop a comment right now and write "Mind over Market." Chapter 2, Part 1. The Rules of the Game. Trading is not a skill game where memorizing charts makes money. It is a discipline game. The world's best strategy is useless if you lack patience. If your heart sinks the moment you see a loss, your wins are just luck. Create rules and follow them. Entry, risk, and exit must be decided beforehand. Let's experiment a little. This thought brings destruction. Track your emotions. Keep a journal. Don't just write the price. Write what you were feeling when you took the trade. This will show you that the real enemy is you. Chapter 2, Part 2. The Power of Focus. A smart trader isn't someone who is right all the time, but someone who sticks to their plan. The market will keep changing, but your trust must be in your strategy. Fear and greed belong to you, not the market. Losing isn't bad. Failing to learn from the loss is bad. View trading as a marathon, not a sprint. When you focus on consistency, the market noise will stop bothering you. Chapter 3, Part 1. Mental Preparation. Prepare your brain before looking at the charts. Just as an athlete warms up, condition your mind. When the world is panicking, you must remain stable. This is only possible if you monitor your mental state daily. Every trade is a mirror. It reflects your mindset. Are you thinking like a gambler or a business owner? Understanding this difference is the key to success. Chapter 3, Part 2. Taming Expectations. Be practical. Decide in advance. If the stock goes here, I book profit. If it comes here, I book the loss. This is called preconditioning. When the plan is solid, the voice of fear gets silenced. Drop the hope of getting rich overnight. This thought forces you to take unnecessary risks. Tell yourself, I won't win every time, but I will follow my rules every time. If your mind isn't calm, don't take the trade. Money is made where patience resides. Chapter 4, Part 1. The Art of Doing Nothing. Surprisingly, sometimes not trading is the best trade. Our brain always craves action, but waiting for the right opportunity like a hunter is real trading. Don't waste your mental energy on useless trades. Learn to take breaks. Stepping away from the screen isn't weakness, it's smartness. Ask yourself, am I trading because there is a setup or just because I'm bored? Sitting quietly at the right time is true courage. Chapter 4, Part 2. Be the observer. When you rise above emotions, your vision becomes like a hawk's. You stop caring about what the market is doing, you only care about your setup. Avoid action bias. A no trade is also a position. And yes, exiting at the right time is just as important as entering. Maybe it will go a little higher. This hope can turn profit into a loss. Build a system and follow it like a robot. Friends, if these points are improving your trading style, make sure to share this video with friends who are struggling in trading. Chapter 5, Part 1. Embracing the loss. Loss is a business expense. Don't make it a personal insult. He who cannot accept a loss can never earn a profit. Risk management is your shield. Only invest money that, if lost, won't cost you your sleep. Stop losses are your friends, not enemies. Learn to take small losses so you can avoid big disasters. When a loss happens, don't engage in revenge trading immediately. Stop, analyze, and then plan. This is the mark of a professional. Chapter 5, Part 2. The Remote Control of Emotions. Practice mindfulness. Are you anxious? Are you greedy? Recognizing this is the first step to fixing it. Stay loyal to your plan. If the plan says exit, then exit. No excuses. Avoid negative thinking. Cursing yourself daily won't turn your account green. Review your trading journal. This habit will save you from emotional accidents. At the Stoxfeed community, we promote this exact smartness and discipline. Chapter 6, Part 1. The Power of Consistency. Blueprint. Trading without a plan is like wandering in a jungle without a GPS. Your trading plan is your map. When to fight and when to retreat, this must be decided in advance. In marketing terms, a disciplined trader has higher brand value. Both people and the market respect them. Be flexible but not emotional. If a strategy isn't working, change it with logic, not in anger. Chapter 6, Part 2. The Math of Risk. Treat the risk-reward ratio as your religion. Aim to earn at least 2 rupees for every 1 rupee of risk. Focus on position sizing. If the market is stormy, reduce your position size. Remember, protecting your capital is your first duty. Making a profit is the second. When you keep risk in your fist, emotions calm down automatically. This is how you become a long-term player. Chapter 7, Part 1. Knowing yourself. Learn to read yourself before reading the charts. Avoid confirmation bias, seeing only what you want to see. Challenge yourself. Am I missing something? In your trading journal, Don't just note numbers, note your mood too. Today I was confident, or today I was scared. When you understand your patterns, you will fix them. Chapter 7, Part 2, The Poison of Overtrading. Trading repeatedly is not a guarantee of profit, but a guarantee of brokerage and loss. It is the fear of missing out, FOMO, that forces you to press the button. Create a rule card for yourself. Only 3 trades a day. Break after a loss. Stick this on your desk. When you keep promises made to yourself, your self-confidence touches the sky. This is emotional discipline. If you have also been a victim of overtrading, type discipline in the comments and pledge to stop it today. Chapter 8, Part 1, Mental Clarity. Why are successful people calm? Because they have learned to mute the noise. Confusion is the root of loss. 5 minutes of meditation or silence before trading can give you clarity that hours of analysis cannot. Ask yourself, why am I taking this trade? For money or for ego? When the why is clear, the how becomes easy automatically. Chapter 8, Part 2, The Cleanup. Start your day by checking in with yourself, not with social media. How is my mood today? This question can save you from a major blunder. Don't overdose on information. Only watch what is necessary for your system. Do a mental cleanup at the end of the day. If a mistake happened today, accept it, learn from it, and leave it there. Tomorrow is a new day. Chapter 9, Part 1, Execution. Planning is easy, executing is hard. Execution means when you get the signal, pull the trigger without hesitation. Put fear and doubt aside and trust the system. Use visualization. Imagine you are taking the right trade and booking profit or loss with a calm mind. This mental rehearsal will make you solid as a rock in the live market. Chapter 9, Part 2, Living in the Present. When a trade is running, be aware like a yogi. 2 voices will arise in your mind, one to run, one to stay. Be the observer. See the games the mind is playing, but listen only to your plan. If one trade has emotionally drained you, do not take another trade immediately. Reset, walk, drink water. Solidify your routine so that no shock from the market can push you out of your zone. Chapter 10, Part 1, A New Identity. Now is the time for change. Stop considering yourself just a trader. Consider yourself a risk manager and a master of discipline. This isn't a skill, this is your identity. Wake up every morning and say, I am the person who places my rules above my emotions. When you wear this identity, mistakes start to decrease. You become the master of greed and fear, not their puppet. Chapter 10, Part 2, The Final Mantra. Friends, no one is perfect, but everyone can become better. Your biggest weapon isn't an indicator, it is your own discipline. Don't let what you learned today remain just knowledge. Apply it to your trading. The winner is the one who knows how to rise after falling, the one who conquers themselves, not the market. If this video has changed the way you think, hit the like button right now. Comment below and tell us what was the biggest lesson you learned today. And yes, for more powerful and life-changing trading psychology, subscribe to the Stoxfeed channel now and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Don't forget to share this video with your trading groups and friends. Remember, we can only conquer the market together. See you in the next video. Stay disciplined, stay profitable.